Hello guys, I am full stack guy and we have DevSec guy in this video. Hi DevSec guy, how are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Yeah, good. Everything going fucking good. Okay, so let's start the video. So in this video we are showing using Java 17 and Spring Boot 3, which is new in the market. How can we send mail to any particular email id? So here is the use case we are having. So we are building a registration application. So this is a application. We are from India. Yeah, India. Yeah, yo India. So we are building one application for one of our client. So that is a e-commerce application. Okay, so in this application we have implemented many things, so we will not explain you all the things in one video. So this will be short and simple video just regarding how to register a user. And once the user, before registering a user, we are sending mail with username, password and all the things, and this registration is for admin. Okay, okay DevSec, are you getting?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So I have already done the code, so I'll explain you code one by one. And this video is primarily to focus on sending email. So to start sending email in Spring Boot application, first things is, of course, you have to create a project, and everyone should know that because that is fucking simple. Okay, second thing, in pom.xml we just need one dependency, small dependencies, spring boot starter mail, spring boot, spring framework boot, and yeah blah blah fucking okay. So now we have this dependency, we have our user resource in user resource. Oh, this is user repository, very vast. Yeah, so this is user resource. We have register api, post mapping. We are getting this body inside. I'll debug you and show the code. Okay, in this we are getting user request to register an admin. Now let me start this application. I'll first show, I'll start in debug. What we are doing is, first we are checking if that username is already in database. If not, then we are saving the user, or else we are saying that conflict user already exists. Yeah, smart enough. So this is our sql workbench. We have no users, database is empty. Okay,
Okay.
okay, now I'll just clear this logs. Before, what I'll do is, I'm going to do the registered user. Okay, this is the first name, this is the last name. Okay, अरे मार चुद गई and
Stop, Pratham.
to take this postman screen. Okay, where is the postman screen?
It's not visible.
Okay, why it's not fucking visible? Because I am not able to fetch. Okay, now I can. Okay, now we have this screen. I'm registering myself. So in the code we have email id from is the different email id. Okay, and we are sending this to this one. Okay, I explain you the code, devsec guy and all other people who are seeing this code. So the email which we are sending is from Virtuata Intelligence. It is going to be $1 billion company in maybe 5 or 6 years. Let's give. Okay, okay devsec guy, you should react something on that comment.
Yeah, it's a $1 billion company.
Don't repeat my statement, bastard. Okay, so I'm just doing send, and I think we should get our code here. Okay, so find by username, we will not get anything here. Okay, so this is not present, so that should be optional dot empty. Okay, all these things, how to code in Java 17, Java 8 and above, optionals, everything, all videos will come. We will share videos from this example because this is a very big application which we are building, and it has taken lots of efforts and time. Okay, so I'm taking this to, oh no, I'm taking this to this next debugger, next. Okay, now I'm into send email. Okay, this is the API which is called from user repository. Before saving, I am sending the mail. So this logic should be changed. Either it's your choice whether you want to save the user and you want to send the mail, or you want to send the mail or save the user. Basically it should be save the user and send the mail, because if you send the mail and if fucking user is not saved, then you will be in problem again, right? So we are going to change this logic, but this is just for demonstration purpose. Okay, I am going inside this. Now I'll explain you this code. If you see here, our code is record, which is nothing but Java 15, 14 or LTS version Java 17. So we have made this record, we have passed Java mail sender as a parameter. This is a record, Java 17 code, very good. Okay, now we are building this message here, or the body of the mail. Okay, and at this moment we are sending the email. So this is from, where in from, this is what we have taken from constant from. Okay, this is the from email id, so we will get email from this email id. Okay, and we will be sending to the user which we are passing through here. This send email is been called in repository. This is again a record, Java 17, 15, whatever you say. And again we have here email service. Okay, again we have auto-wired this using this. So good, right? And again email service, I am just going to the next debugger, and we should get email until now. But before that I'll show you the response of. Okay, we have got the email, I believe. Now we have saved the user, we are sending this as a response. Now here we have one more thing interesting, like we are sending the common response for each and every response type. So we are whether it be product, whether it be category, whether it be user, we are saying we are sending a generic response, which is very important in your enterprise applications. We will also come with that video in future, so I'll not explain that code in this. And send. Okay, one thing, in response we have this one, 200 status. Okay, admin registered successful. We have first name, everything, email. We also have the token. Okay, we also have the token. This is because we are using function API, not because every time we are sending user or creating user, we are using, let me show you. This is not something, user service IMPL. Okay, user service IMPL, we are always using, each and everywhere we are using user response mapper. Okay,
Okay.
so this user response mapper is nothing but our mapper, and this mapper has, this is implementing function which is again a Java 8 feature, which has an apply method, and we are generating this object each and every time. And while at the time we are also generating token, and in that we have auto-add JWT service. So this is again a cool coding principle. You should be coding this way, because in this case what happen is, in user service you don't have redundant code of getter, setters, and each and everything. Like there is a lot of code, getter, setter, and or if you use builder design pattern or something like that, so you do dot username, first name, last name, and then you do build. But all that thing we have done in user mapper. We have just passed this to map function. Okay, again this is an optional class which we are returning, which is again a little confusing code for the viewers which would be seeing, but we will cover all these things in future video, because we are returning a user, we are saving a user, and again what we are doing, we save the user service MPL, we are applying each and everything, and we are just sending it to the response. If you see here, we saved the user, we got the user back, and we are doing user mapper.apply, and we are sending the user response. Okay,
Okay.
now let's focus on sending email. A quick revision, we did a API call. Our code came to this is Mac is lagging. I don't know what the fuck is M1 chip. I don't know, it's hanging, but that's fine. It's very better than Windows. Our code came here, it went to save user. Inside save we have this, if it is an instance of register, we are doing this is again a Java 8 feature. Okay, we will cover this in upcoming videos. There are lots of features, we have lot of content, we have so much content that should not fucking finish. Okay, again save email send, and again we got it back on this response user service. Okay, then we are sending the response, common response to our, this is been consumed by front end. We will also be having a front end video, which is the next video. Again we will be recording, now it's 10:35, we will start recording on 10:45. Is it fine, DevSec guy?
Yes.
So that will be explained by DevSec guy. So this example we will also show it from DevSec perspective, where we have built a React application for this backend, and we have all working with validations and everything. One important thing, again a short revision. pom.xml changed, a small change, this dependency. Okay, the
Okay.
email service we should auto-wire with Java mail sender. Okay, Java mail sender is from Spring framework mail simple message Java mail, that is from the same dependency. Okay, this
Okay.
is the class which we are creating. Now how these which properties, where have we configured these properties? Okay, we have configured these properties in application.yaml. So all these things, spring.mail.properties, spring.mail.host, port, username, password, all the things, these are very important. Okay, you should be having these properties to send your email. This is the email ID which we got email from. This is the password. Again, let me this password we will of course be deleting, that we are not so pussies to show this password and keep this in video. So we will of course be deleting that thing. Okay, and we can also blur this, right, if you know that, because
Yeah.
I am not interested
We
in
can have a demonstration video on that too.
yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
so again let me show you if we got mail at that time. Okay, so if I show you my email ID, and yeah babies, see the emails, and we have this one, so I registered successfully with the username, the guy, and password. This is not the password actually, because we are not sending the password. This is the token. But anyway, if you don't want to send this, don't send this. You can format this email a bit. Happy joining the things we have just did today.
Yeah, we
Listen,
can give a welcome email also.
yeah, anything. So you got one mail, you can get many mails, right? So okay, but before this, you got the mail, you have these properties, all things. But if you know, Gmail has been stopped the less secure things. All YouTubers know that, and
Yes.
anyone who will be searching videos on YouTube will say less secure. Yes, we know that less secure, but to manage this, what we will do is we will go into manage user account security. In security, we have you have to go inside this. I think this is the password. This is the password, and we have email sender. So you can create a custom, you can name something like email, like that, generate, and again you will get this password and you're done with it. Okay,
Okay.
so and this password, okay, this password you have to use it over here, okay, over here. This is the password which you have to use it.
Okay. Is it space separated or
What space? No space, nothing.
no space? Okay.
Over here you are saying?
Yeah, in password.
No, let's not keep space or anything, so
Okay.
that should not complain. Okay, so okay, this is it. We will be with the second video where we will show how do we implement it, or how this demo works with UI integration. Any questions, DevSec, uh, which people can ask? So let me tell you people one thing. So DevSec is a front end engineer. He has little less things on backend. So it's like we have an intention that DevSec, if DevSec understands, anyone who is a beginner in backend development can also understand. So DevSec is also starting backend things. So DevSec, you have anything to ask?
As of now, there is nothing. But
Okay,
we'll ask the viewers to write their questions in the comment section below, and we'll try to solve them over there itself.
okay, yeah. So okay, lovelies. So thank you. This is our first video. We will have now we will be coming with many videos. We have a good application. We are developing it, and we will take small chunks of this application and we will show you guys. Okay. So thank you everyone. Anything you want to say, DevSec?
Yeah, I like to tell the viewers to like, share, and subscribe to our channels.
Yeah.
Uh, Share it as much as possible as you can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Bye bye.